Hungry! Today I'm gonna show you how to make mango and sticky rice. Since it's peach season, I'll make one with peach as well. I'll use 2 cups of glutinous rice, also known as sticky rice. You can find sticky rice at Asian grocery stores. If you want to cook only 1 cup, make sure you cut down the ingredients in half. I'm going to rinse the rice 4 or 5 times. We need to let it soak at least 3 hours or overnight. Since I have 3 hours, I'm going to draw peach and mango on the iPad for video thumbnail. After 3 hours, I'm going to drain water from the bowl. I put the rice into a steamer. I'm using 2 cups of water. Put it in rice cooker. Add a few pandan leaves in the water and your rice will smell aroma. Once the water is boiling, we need to steam sticky rice 15 to 20 minutes. Our rice is fully cooked, so we're moving on to the next step. Now, we need to make sweet coconut milk. I'm going to use 1 can of coconut milk, or 1.5 cup. I put 1 cup of sugar, but if you really like it sweet, you can put it more. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 pandan leaf. We need to cook sweet coconut milk with low heat. Make sure that you don't overcook or boil it. We just need it warm. After that, we're gonna let it cool down. Next, we're gonna make coconut salty topping sauce. I put a half cup of coconut milk, half teaspoon of tapioca flour, and a half teaspoon of salt. Again, we're gonna cook the topping sauce with low heat, and we need to stir it until we get the consistency like this. I'm going to put the sauce in a little container and then I'm going to put it in the fridge because we need it later on when we're ready to eat with mango and sticky rice. Now we need to put fully cooked sticky rice into sweet coconut milk. We need to let it set at least 1.5 hours. After 1 to 2 hours, our sweet sticky rice should be ready to eat. I'm going to remove the pandan leaves and then I will just mix the rice a little bit just to make sure all the grains absorbs sweet coconut milk. Finally, it's time to peel mango and peach. The ripe mango should be soft and has sweet scent smell. I put sweet sticky rice on the plate and then I'm going to cut mango. For nice presentation, I put mint on top a little bit. And I'm doing the same with peach. Now we're going to put salty coconut sauce on top and a little bit of fried mung bean at the end.
Okay, we're in Georgia. We have to have the peach first. Or I'm gonna have the peach
I'm
first.
gonna have this one first.
Alright, let's try this out. I've never had peach in the sticky rice.
Yeah, it's good.
The peach is really good too because the texture is not too different from a mango.
Let me try peach.
It's really good. It tastes good. It's Georgia approved.
And I need a big piece of peach. This one.
It's really satisfying. And the mango is cold too. It's best if the food is cold.
Like, share, subscribe, and see you later.